to see calories burned, active, passive, and total on Apple Watch. Are you an Apple Watch wearer geared toward boosting your fitness? Well, you should know that your Apple Watch can, in fact, track how many active and passive calories you've burned. You might ask, what are active and passive calories? Active calories are the number of those spent in motion. This is while one is exercising or involved in other activities, and the body expends passive calories while at rest. It's referred to as your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. Your Apple Watch keeps a record of both types so that you have a complete picture of the levels of your energy expenditure. So here's how to see Apple Watch calories burned, active, passive, and total on your Apple Watch. Open the activity app on your Apple Watch. Now swipe or scroll down with the digital crown. You'll see your active calories burned under the Move goal. Add the activity complication to a watch face or use an activity watch face to see active calories burned at a glance. On your iPhone, open the fitness app on your iPhone. Tap the activity rings at the top. See your total calories burned for the day in the bottom left of your screen. Subtract your active calories, the Move goal, from the total to get your passive calories burned, BMR. Why does tracking calories burned matters? Tracking your calories burned can help you understand your metabolism, plan your meals, and reach your fitness goals. By monitoring your active and passive calories, you can adjust your diet to support your energy needs, set realistic fitness goals, and track your progress, and improve your overall health and well-being.